YouTube. So today we are going to solve a question in Necta examination. The question was asked like and to prove that this is Necta examination, you have here Necta 2019 question number 1. This is Necta question 2019 question number 1, and in this video I will going to solve only question number 1. Section A consists of set answer all question in this section. And the question number 1A was asked like this: mangoes are to be exactly divided into group of 20, 30, and 36. What is the minimum number of mangoes required? So here is like it's like the question was trying to ask you find the lowest common multiple, the lowest common multiple of this number, the number that can divide all of these three numbers without any remainers, but will result in the smallest number to all groups. Okay, so this question was like asking to find the lowest common multiple. I wouldn't explain here a lot, but we're starting by finding the lowest common multiple, and I will show you why we are required to find the common multiple. So to do this question, here is what you have to do. So we have the groups of 20, 30, and 6. Okay, we have these three groups. To find the lowest common multiple, you start by dividing by 2. Here you get 10, here you get 15, here you get 18. So we continue dividing by the smallest number, divide at least 2 of or one of these numbers. So if it's 2, or again here we get 5, here is not divisible, we get 15, here is divisible, we get 9. So what is the smallest number? Is 3. It can divide only 15 and 9. So here in 15 we get 5, in 9 we get 3. So again, what is the smallest number that can divide this? What is the smallest number that can divide this? Is again 3, because it's divided there, and 3, and we remain with 1. So what is the smallest number that can divide this? It is again 5. That will be resulting in 1, 1, 1. So to get the lowest common multiple, here we get 2 raised power 2 times 3 raised power 2 times 5. 2 raised power 2, this 2 here, 2 raised power 2, this 3 here, 3 raised power 2, and here times 5. So we multiply these guys. So it will be 9 times 4, 4 times 9 times 5. Okay, it will be resulting into 4 times 9 times 5. So this is lowest common multiple, which will result into 4 times 9 times 5, and the answer will be equal to 180. So if our answer is 180, we have to prove that this is the number that will bring up the lowest common multiple to all of these 20, 30, and 20, 30, and 36. So let's divide these numbers, 20, 30, and 36 with 180. Let's start by taking 180 divide by 20. We start by 180, we have here 20, we have here 18. We have again 30, we have here 18. We have again 36, we have here 18. So I will put the answers there, and you will start to think that, wow, this is what exactly what we have to find in this question. So here we get 9, and again here we get 6, and here we get 5. So in the group of 20, everyone will get, that means in the group of 20 everyone will get 9 mangoes, and in the group of 30 everyone will get 6 mangoes, and in the group of 36 everyone will get 5 mangoes. So the answer here is the lowest common multiple. This is the answer, and what you have been asked, this is to prove, this is only to prove, but this here is the answer. And what will be asked, that is to find the lowest common multiple, the minimum number that can divide mangoes in the group of 20 and 36. So thank you, and I will see you in the next. So let's continue with question number 2. So the question asks that Mary was given 60,000 shillings by her mother. She spent 35%. So ni kama tulikuwa tunauliza kwamba Mary alipewa 60,000 na mama yake, 60,000 na mama yake, lakini akatumia 35%. Ukiambiwa ametumia 35%, he spent for 35% of his money, so you times 35 divided by 100 of her money to buy books. So this will go directly to books. Okay, how much money remained? Now let's continue with question number 1b. Let's continue with question number 1b. So question was like, Mary was given 60,000 shilling by her mother. She spent 35% by shoes. So given 60,000 shillings, spent 35% to buy shoes. Okay, and 10% of remaining money to buy books. Okay, 10% of the remaining money. So the answer here, the answer that will be given here will go on to be multiplied by the 10%. The answer the answer of here will be multiplied by 10%. Okay, times the answer. Here there will be an answer, but 10% by the will be times the answer. Okay, and 10% of the remaining money to buy books. How much money remained? So he's trying to ask you that what will be the money that will be remain. So the answer is 21,000. In question number 1, in part A of 60,000 shillings times 35%, it will be 21,000. Let's put it in drawings. The answer there will be 21,000. And the answer after taking 21,000 times 10%, it will be the money that will remain, and it will be 2,100. This will be the answer that the question was asked for. So the question asked that, let's show you how 10% of the remaining money to buy books. How much money remained? So if he used 35% of 60,000, okay, if she uses 35% of 60,000, 35% of 60,000, she will remain with 21,000. But after that, if again she used 10% of 21,000, she will remain with 2,100,000. Thank you. I will see you in question number 2 and continuing question solving national examination with high understanding. Thank you. I see you later.